Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 26th. The devastating Indian Ocean tsunami 2004. On December 26, 2004, a massive natural disaster shocked the world when a powerful earthquake struck beneath the Indian Ocean. The earthquake, measuring about 9.1 in magnitude, occurred near the coast of northern Sumatra, Indonesia. This sudden movement of the ocean floor caused gigantic tsunami waves to spread across the region. Coastal areas in Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand were hit the hardest. Entire towns were destroyed as waves washed away homes, roads, and buildings. Around 230,000 people lost their lives and millions were left without shelter. Jack Johnson makes boxing history 1908. On December 26, 1908, Jack Johnson achieved a groundbreaking victory in the sport of boxing. Competing in Sydney, Australia, he defeated Tommy Burns to become the world heavyweight champion. This win made Johnson the first black boxer to hold the heavyweight title. At a time when racial discrimination was widespread, his success challenged social norms. Johnson inspired future generations of athletes. Winston Churchill speaks to U.S. Congress 1941. On December 26, 1941, British Prime Minister Winston Churchill delivered a historic speech to the United States Congress. This moment came shortly after the attack on Pearl Harbor, which brought America into World War II. Churchill became the first British leader to address a joint session of Congress. In his speech, he emphasized unity and cooperation between the United States and the United Kingdom. The speech became a powerful symbol of Allied unity during the war. The first celebration of Kwanzaa 1966. On December 26, 1966, Kwanzaa was celebrated for the very first time in the United States. The holiday was created by Dr. Maulana Karenga to honor African heritage and African American culture. Kwanzaa is observed over 7 days, ending on January 1st. Each day focuses on a different principle, such as unity, responsibility, and creativity. Families celebrate by lighting candles and reflecting on cultural values. The end of the Soviet Union 1991. On December 26, 1991, the Soviet Union officially ceased to exist. After many years of political and economic struggles, the powerful superpower collapsed. Leaders of the Soviet republics agreed to dissolve the USSR and form the Commonwealth of Independent States. This event marked the formal end of the Cold War era. The breakup of the Soviet Union changed global politics dramatically. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.